Energy, you've created a new word, no, yourself, Dvaitam concept. Again, energy is a waking state thought, single thought. You have a spiritual waking state right now in which you're doing some Kundalini energy going up and down the spine. Again, waking state thought. There is nothing like that in my true experience. My true experience is simply ocean of awareness, mass of sensations. Sensations are heaviness of the body, pain, feeling hot, feeling cold, tingling in the body, vibrations, creeping sensations, crawling sensations, itching sensations. Do you understand sensations? Mass of sensations I have labeled as body. Now sensation, suddenly new sensation I feel, I label it as energy. Label. Label in the waking state thought. New label. Kundalini, new label. Yogasana, new label. Pranayama, new label. Very, very clear what's happening? All labels of the waking state thought. Drop all. You have to shed all beliefs, all conditionings. Everything was learnt in order to unlearn one day, to wash it away one day. Today is that day. Ashtavakra is doing that for you. He's helping you through this. Wipe everything. Just what I experientially and directly see. Right now, I am seeing, I'm sitting in front of the computer. My experience is of an ocean of awareness. Awareness is not limited. I cannot put a border. Can you see that? It is a limitless, infinite ocean of awareness or infinite space of awareness. This is my direct experience. In that ocean of awareness, I notice this mass of sensations. I have labeled this as I, the physical body. It's a wrong label, but I have labeled it as I, the physical body. I notice thoughts. I've labeled them as my mind. I notice feelings. I have labeled that as my mind. What is reality? Reality is the ocean of awareness, is who I am. I am not this mass of sensations. I am not this occasional thought or feeling that is arising and passing away. I am witnessing this mass of sensations. I am witnessing this thought. So I am that ocean of awareness, the ocean of attentiveness. There is nothing like energy there. All concepts, ideas, words. Drop the language, completely drop language, and as a baby see. How does a baby look at everything? The moment you take language away from yourself, what are you left with? Ocean of awareness, mass of sensations, thought and perception. Stark, naked truth. Be with that. Again and again, be with that. There is nothing more. There is nothing more. This is my truth.